Okay, we are going very far into our computer science, all right, and this particular session is about the logic gate. But I'm not going to cover the basic. Instead, I will use a question to explore the logic gate itself. So let's first take a look at the question. So now you have a diagram like this with all your gates, all right, and hopefully you still remember all your gates itself. And then of course you have the Q at the very end, which is the output of everything. And the question is a simple, what is Q? Then the input you have A, B, and C. All right, so very standard question. Okay, if you would like to give this a try, all right, I will suggest you pause the video, then you will be able to give it a shot. All right, then later on you can check out the answer itself. All right, because I'm going to show the answer, and I'm going to show the working towards the answer, all right, itself. Okay, I have the answer up here, but of course we'll cover that later. Alright, I'm not so interested in just the answer. I want to look at the step itself. So I have the same diagram here. Alright, the only difference now is I'm going to work from the left hand side all the way to Q. Okay, going through all the gates. Alright, so we'll start from the top. So this is A. So this is your NOT gate. Alright, so what comes out is actually your A NOT, right, or NOT A, okay, or A bar, depending on whatever your preference jargon is. Okay, and since this is a connector, so both sides, whether it is the down or the top, is the same. So it is the NOT A. Alright. So this part is done. Okay. Then I go down to your B and C. B and C is the input, and this is your OR. Remember, your OR is a plus. Okay, N is a multiply, OR is a plus. So the output will be B plus C. Okay, then we come to here. Now you have this, right, the A naught and the B plus C. Okay, going into, this is an N, but there is a small little circle in front, so it is actually a NAND, N-A-N-D. So it is a NOT N, right? So I will take this one, right, A naught, and the B plus C naught, sorry, B plus C, and I will end them. End them is a multiply. Okay, so either that, you can put a small little dot here to represent the N. But the whole thing will be NOT, because this is a NOT N. So the whole thing, bracket, and I put a NOT. So that will solve this part. Okay? Alright. Then all I have left is the top, which is this one, A naught, with this entire thing going into this gate over here. Alright, so what is this gate? This gate looks like an OR gate, but there's another line at the back here. See that? There's another line here. So this is not your standard OR gate, but this is your XOR gate. So all you have to do is put one part, XOR the other part, which is the input, the two input. And you will have your answer, right, which is A naught, XOR, right, then inside here you have the whole thing is a NOT, right, A naught, then B plus C, then you have your Q. So in your test, or in your exam, or in your any assessment, alright, write out piece by piece, okay, on the diagram, on your question paper, okay, what they are, right, each of the answer slowly, right, because it's very easy to make mistake, right, and if you do it slowly and carefully, step by step, gate by gate, you will reach to the final answer. Alright, so okay, so shouldn't be that difficult to understand what your logic gates.